To assemble the plant mister, you need to print all the parts you already have here, including the nozzle, the outer pipe, the lid, the plunge shaft, the plunger, the finger loop, the pump cap with a marble inside that's 14 millimeter diameter, and the bottle. In addition, you'll need some plumber's tape. It's just Teflon tape that fixes leaks because the plastic parts don't fit together in a watertight way. So we'll start with the outer pipe. Take a little bit of plumber's tape here, and we're going to wrap it in the same direction that the threads go. And there's no exact number of times to do it. I find going around 2 or 3 times. That's 1, that's 2, and that's 3. Will get me a pretty good seal. Got that on there. And then I can attach the nozzle. Just screws on. If I put too much plumber's tape on there, then it gets too tight and it'll possibly break. Then we're going to do some plumber's tape to the other side. Same thing. Go in the same direction that the threads are going. That way when you screw it in place, it gets held there rather than pushed out of the way. Alright, probably good enough. And then you're going to screw it into the hole that is above this outlet pipe from the pump. Good. Alright, so the next step is to put this guy on. This is the finger loop, and it helps stabilize the plunge shaft. It doesn't need plumber's tape because there's no water in that joint. But you do want to screw it in so that this cylinder is right over that hole there. There you go. Next, the plunge shaft goes in. You want to make sure it goes up and down real easily. A little bit of resistance. I could sand it some more if I wanted to. And then you take the plunger and you put it so that the screw hole is facing toward the plunge shaft. And you're just going to screw it in place. Join the two together. If you need to, you can put your finger in this little hole here to hold the plunger in place while the plunge shaft is there. And then we got this. It'll go up and down. Yeah, I could definitely use some sanding. It's a little stiff. See how it goes. Sends the plunger up and down. Okay. Next, since we got our marble inside of the pump cap, we can just go ahead and put that on. If we wanted, we could use plumber's tape here as well. It's not too important. And now it's basically assembled. You just put some water in your bottle here. Screw this on. And then you can mist your plants. Let's do a demo. Alright, so it's back now. I filled it with water. Yay, it actually sprays. Now, this nozzle is like my 5th or 6th iteration. I'm not quite satisfied yet. I think I need to tighten the little outlet blocking part a little bit more so we get more of a diffusion. But you can see it actually works. Pumps water quite well, but doesn't mist it quite as much as I'd like yet. So I'll keep working on that, trying different versions. But hope you enjoy it and hope you have some fun with it.